Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shine Like Diamond. Today I'm going to show you unboxing of my new Tory Burch bag. So this is the Tory Burch bag that I got. So let's start with the unboxing bag. This is in the color black, and I got a free gift when I bought this bag. They gave me this sugar finna I think so, it's a candy. Yes, it's a candy. It looks so good. I am really excited to try this out. So amazing. So let's unbox this bag and see how does it look. So I got this one. I don't actually want to ring the bag. Wow, looks so good. This is one of my favorite one. I really wanted this bag for the longest time. Just look at the chain. It's so good. Oh my goodness. Just look at the chains. I'm in love with this bag. This looks so good. So I'm going to take this off. This is how it looks. Wow, just look at it. Just look at it. Such a beautiful bag. Such a beautiful bag. Sorry about that. My camera just dropped. So I don't know how to take this off. Oh my goodness. Okay, just let me just open this up. Oh my goodness. Just look at it. Just look at the inside. Here I got a mesh bag with it, and this is some stuffings. Wow, just look at that logo, Tory Burch, New York. Such a beautiful bag. I am speechless. Just look at this. I am in love with this bag. This is such an amazing bag, right? I will wear with so many things. Okay. I don't know, it's so hard to take this off. Okay, I did that. So sorry, you could just see my... Okay, oh my goodness. Just look at this. Such a wonderful bag it is. Oh wow, Tory Burch, I am in love with you. In love. Such an amazing bag. Look at the color and look at everything. It's perfect. Will go with every outfit. And just look at this. The chain is so good. Okay, thank you everyone. That's what I got from Tory Burch. And soon I will come with what's in my bag video. So stay tuned with my channel. And bye-bye.